Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Do you have a Dynapro Vacuum Blender? Well, I do, and I want to share a tip with you on how to easily get the lid off of the blender jar. And you know, it's this simplest thing in the world, and when I first figured this out, I thought, duh, why didn't I find this out sooner? If you don't know this little trick, this lid can be so hard to get off, it's almost impossible, and you can just struggle your heart out. So I'm going to show you this little tip. All right, this tip is really the simplest thing in the world. You see, I've got my blender jar right here for my Dynapro Vacuum Blender. And on the top of the lid is a little silicone gasket, a little flap here. And anyone who's used it knows that in order to, once we've got the vacuum done and the air is removed from the blender jar, to let the air back in, you lift this little tab and you hear this shh sound as the air goes back into the jar. Well, I found that if you continue to hold that little flap open and use your other hand to open the lid, it is the easiest thing in the world. You have to use two hands, one to hold the flap, one to open the lid. If the lid is closed, this little flap is down, it is really hard to get the lid off of this blender jar. Really hard. You just lift that little tab and it just comes right off. Simple as can be. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.